Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a cool paper airplane, the ultimate bomber. I designed this paper airplane in 2012, but today I will show you how to create this. Okay, let's start now. To make the ultimate bomber, you need a printing paper. I am using US letter size 8.5 11 inches paper, but I believe you can use A4 paper as well, so test it out. If it doesn't work, trim it down to the US letter size. Let's start now. So first step, fold the paper in half this way. Okay, open the paper. We'll start from this edge, or fold it to this edge. Right. Okay. And then repeat the same step for the other side. I will start from this edge, I'll fold it to this edge. So be careful with paper. I just got paper cut in the morning. Okay. Alright, so now we have preferences. I will start from this edge, right? I will fold it down to this corner. Alright, so match this corner to the intersection of the edge and the crease. Okay, so this is what I have so far. And then next step, I will fold this part in, right? And I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, and next I will start from this edge. I fold it to this edge of the upper layers here. See that? Just fold it down. And I repeat the same step for the other side. I turn the paper this way so I can fold it easier. Okay, and then I see. Okay, so you see this edge and this edge. I'll just fold like this. You see how I will try to fold. You see the edge here. I'll fold this edge to the center crease here. So the best way to do it, you will fold the paper like this. Okay, and then I have the triangle shape here. Okay, I fold it to the left side and I fold it to the right side to make the crease. Okay, so make it easier to fold, right? So you see the triangle shape here. Then I'll start from this edge, I fold it to the crease here, which we just created. Just fold it out, alright. And then I repeat the same step. I fold it in the opposite direction. And then just fold it down. See that? Put my finger in here and just push this part down. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And next step, this is an important step. I will fold the paper in half like this, so you can do the next step easier. Okay. Right, and then you see the edge here. I just fold it along the edge. Okay, just fold it down, create a tomato crease here. Then repeat the same step for the other side. Just create the crease. Okay. Alright, then fold the paper this way and just like other paper airplanes I created nose by folding this part out. Okay, you can see how I did here. You use the finger, so this one is kind of difficult. Okay. So this is what I have, and usually it will not match the crease we make, so do it slowly to fix the problem. Okay. If you do it slowly, it will turn out nice. Remember to match the edge here. Okay, then put the paper down. When you can match the edge, you just fold this part. Okay, it's a hard step. Okay, when you finish this step, it is almost done. Alright, when you fold the paper up, you can feel it's a little bit hard on the top here, so do not fold straight to the tip here. Just like estimate about a 1/4 of an inch, then fold the paper up. Okay, then you estimate about like 1/5 of an inch, or just like 1/2 of a centimeter, just fold this part up. Okay, now repeat the same step for the other side. Just make the wings very much. Okay. So now I can open the wings, right? So next step, I will create a stabilizer. But actually, I will not make a new paper airplane, just create a stabilizer to stabilize the paper airplane, right? So understand that, let's just modify it. Okay, so I will estimate about 1/2 an inch from this corner along this edge, and just fold it down straight to the corner here. Okay. And then repeat the same step for the other side. The best way is to fold the paper this way, so you can make the stabilizer even for both sides. Okay, so this is what I have. And next step, I will create the center stabilizer. Okay, this is very easy. Just push this part of the paper up. Alright, so this is what I have. Because it's a little bit difficult to make, and the wings curve, we're not you need to curve the wing up a little bit to make it straight. Alright, so before you fly this ultimate bomber, there are a couple of things I need to mention. So the stabilizers are really important, so you need to keep them even and straight up. Otherwise, if you fall one too much, it will turn to left or right. And also the center stabilizer is really important, that if you fall to the left or right, it will turn the plane to left or right as well. And I'll show you where you can hold the plane. This is the handle where you can hold and throw the plane, so do not throw it too hard. So learn how to control the plane first before you throw it hard. Alright, okay, thank you.